My dear students, you are mostly welcome today. As far as today's lesson is to be concerned, I would like to take an interview by asking some important questions which will help you to develop your speaking or conversation skill. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आजच्या लेसनमध्ये मला इंटरव्ह्यूसाठी लागणारे जे काही 10-12 प्रश्न आहेत ते प्रश्न विचारून मी आपला इंटरव्ह्यू घेऊ इच्छितो. ज्या इंटरव्ह्यूमुळं तुमचं संभाषण कौशल्य हे विकसित होईल. So let me go ahead. Friends, as you know very well that while giving an appointment on any post, you need to face an interview for the subject, for instance mathematics. The first question you have to ask him or her, what is or her full name. सर्वप्रथम तुम्ही त्या विद्यार्थ्यांना त्या कॅन्डिडेटचे पूर्ण नाव विचारा. What is your full name? आपले संपूर्ण नाव काय आहे? Where did you come from? आपण कोठून आले आहात? Then the third question, where did you complete your master degree in the concerned subject? Where did you complete your master degree in the concerned subject? आपण संबंधित विषयामध्ये मास्टर डिग्री अर्थात पदव्युत्तर पदवी कुठे कंप्लीट केले आहात? From which university did you receive your professional degree, that is B.Ed, Bachelor of Education? अर्थात B.Ed ही डिग्री आपण कुठल्या विद्यापीठातून ही व्यावसायिक पात्रता धारण केलेला आहात? Would you like to teach your subject in rural area or urban area and why? तुम्हाला तुमचा विषय ग्रामीण भागामध्ये शिकवायला आवडेल की शहरी भागामध्ये? ग्रामीण भागामध्ये जर if you have interest to teach your subject in rural area, so what is reason? Why do you like to teach your subject in rural area? You have to get detailed information from the candidates. What are your favorite hobbies? तुमच्या लोकप्रिय किंवा आवडत्या गोष्टी काय काय आहेत? Please tell us a few. Then the next question, how much salary do you want? तुम्हाला किती वेतन हवे आहे? How will you motivate your dull student? In case of dull student or ordinary student, what will you do to develop his basic knowledge in mathematics? So what will you do for that? गणित या विषयातील पायाभूत नॉलेज किंवा ज्ञान विकसित करण्यासाठी आपण कुठले प्रयत्न कराल? हाऊ विल यू मोटिवेट or how will you inspire for an ordinary student? So that candidate will respond to the said question. And the last question is, what will you do for the betterment of the poor people? What will you do for the betterment of the poor pupils, not peoples, pupils in the mathematics? Mathematics या विषयामध्ये तुम्ही सामान्य विद्यार्थ्यांना किंवा सामान्य विद्यार्थ्याच्या उत्कर्षासाठी काय कराल? This is how you can take an interview of the said candidate who has passed his master degree in mathematics and professional degree from the recognized university. Your question will be clear and logic. तुमचे प्रश्न हे क्लिअर आणि तर्कशुद्ध असावेत. So let us, we shall stop here. Thank you very much.